was set for pre-trial on today's date and time. The clearance on this matter was acquired on September 23rd. Still showing you expired though, Mr. Sauter. Do you have a plan to get your license renewed?
Yeah, that's why I'm here, sir.
Okay. When will you be getting it renewed?
Basically, as soon as this gets taken care of, I can't get my license renewed because of this. So basically, as soon as this gets taken care of, I go up to the DMV down here in Ohio.
Okay. Once you got your clearance here, that should have taken care of your ability to acquire a license.
That's my understanding of why I'm here.
Yeah, which you paid the clearance fee. So that puts you in a spot.
I thought I had to come here today to do whatever it is I need to do to get cleared to get my license.
Okay, well, let me check in with the prosecutor, see what they want to do at this point. Mr. Barnett, how do you want to proceed?
Your Honor, he's paid the clearance. Anything else showing on his driving record?
No, so the Michigan driving record just shows expired as of June 17th of this year.
Yeah, and I found out about all this on like June 13th.
Sir, Mr. Sauter, you reside in Ohio now, is that true?
Yes, sir. I went to renew my license here in Ohio, and that's when they say, oh, hey, you can't do this because of your suspended license. And that was a surprise to me.
So what I'm going to do is just add account 2 of impeding traffic, the civil infraction. He can admit to that, and I'll dismiss the original misdemeanor.
Okay.
Okay.
Mr. Sauter, Mr. Spencer, we're talking to somebody else right now. Okay, hang on just a minute.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Sauter.
Yeah.
Okay, do you understand that offer? The offer is in exchange for you admitting responsibility to impeding traffic, which is a non-moving violation, carries no points, and will not appear on your driving record. They would dismiss the original citation of failed display license. Did you want to accept that offer?
Hey, if that takes care of everything, it's my mea culpa. Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me make some notes. I'll tell you what we'll do next in just one moment, okay?
He's coming back here. He's just handling somebody else's case.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Benjamin Sauter, for the purpose of today's hearing, you are admitting responsibility to impeding traffic December 12th of 2019 on Grove Road in Ypsilanti Township. Is that correct?
Yep.
All right, people satisfied with the admission?
Yes, Your Honor, thank you.
Okay. All right, Mr. Sauter, that's a $180 fine, resulting in dismissal of the misdemeanor charge. Are you able to pay that online today, or do you need time to pay it?
I can pay it online, sir.
Okay. What will happen then is probably in the early part of the afternoon, you'll receive an email from the court with a link to our online payment system. Once you receive that, that's your indication that we've updated our records, and you can go ahead and make that payment. Okay.
Okay. Just so I know, like, let's pretend I don't get an email. I don't get whatever. Because I didn't get a link to this meeting. I had to call and ask for it. So just worst case scenario, because I don't want to see you again and you don't want to see me again. So and it's already gotten messed up enough, and I don't want that to happen. So
if you don't see an email by 2 or 3 o'clock this afternoon, just call the court.
All right, I just want to make sure I don't upset anybody.
So check your spam, of course, but if you don't see anything there, just give the court a call. Okay.
Yep.
All right, so you're all set. Stay safe. Okay.
All right, thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay, recalling people of Ypsilanti Township. This is Clifford Spencer, 21W001274A74B. Hello, Ms. Anderson.
Good morning, Your Honor. First Assistant Public Defender Kalina Anderson with and on behalf of Mr. Spencer. Your Honor, I've had a chance to speak with Mr. Spencer. He indicates his license is suspended until 2025. I would ask if Mr. Barnett would consider any offers based on that.
Yeah, I will. With respect to the A charge, I'll add account 2, no operator's license on his person. He can plead guilty to that, and I will dismiss the original DWLS. Ms. Anderson, do you know if the vehicle has a proper insurance at this point?
I don't. Mr. Spencer, does your vehicle have proper insurance?
No, they canceled out.
All right, so he's complete, the offer would be count two, no operator's license on his person as to the A offense, and he'll admit responsibility to the civil infraction, no proof of insurance on the B charge.
Okay. Do you understand that, Mr. Spencer? So you are getting a reduction in the charge to the no ops like we discussed, okay?
Okay,
And then they'll dismiss the DWLS and you'll be pleading responsible to the no proof of insurance on the vehicle.
okay.
So
Thank you, Your Honor.
proceed-
We're ready to proceed.
Okay, procedurally, the no proof act actually has already defaulted. So there's.
Oh,
no
okay.
default. It's already entered that. Oh, I'm told it's not. Never mind.
Okay.
All right, let me make some notes, Mr. Spencer. I'll tell you what we'll do next here in just a second, okay?
Okay.
All right, Mr. Spencer, for the purpose of today's hearing, you are pursuant to the agreement pleading guilty to operating a vehicle without a license on your person, May 19, 2021 on Holmes Road in Ypsilanti Township. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please raise your right hand to be sworn. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you provide today will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in the matter before the court today?
Yes.
Thank you. All right. Do you understand by pleading guilty, you are giving up your right to a trial?
Yes.
You understand by pleading guilty, you are giving up the rights you would have at a trial, including the rights to call witnesses on your own behalf, to see, hear, and question any witness against you, to act as a witness for yourself, or should you choose not to testify, the prosecutor may not comment on the refusal to testify. And you are, of course, you're waiving your right to be of being presumed innocent unless proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Aside from the offer made to reduce the charge, has any other promises or inducements been made to you to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Have any threats been made to you to get you to plead guilty today?
Oh, no.
Are you on probation or parole?
Nope.
You've had an opportunity to consult with Ms. Anderson with the Public Defender's Office. Did you have any further questions for her?
No, ma'am. Oh, no, sir.
Okay. Then for the purpose of today's plea, you are pleading guilty, May 19, 2021. You're operating a vehicle on Holmes Road in Ypsilanti Township. Is that correct?
Yes.
All right. And for the purpose of the plea, you did not have your driver's license on your person at that time. Is that correct?
Yes.
Are the people satisfied with the factual basis of the guilty plea?
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
Okay. And Ms.
Yes.
Anderson, the court rules complied with?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will accept the guilty plea and impose fines that cost the amount of $225. Moving on to the no proof of insurance citation, sir, you are admitting responsibility without an explanation to operating a vehicle without proof of insurance. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Court will accept the admission of responsibility. People satisfied with the admission?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
No proof of insurance is a $155 fine. So the two together, we have $380. Would you be able to pay that online today, Mr. Spencer, or do you need time to pay these?
I need some time to pay it. I get my check in 2 weeks. I pay half then, and next month when I get my check, just take care of it.
Yeah, no problem at all. So you're talking about the middle of August and again, middle of September?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll put a little cushion on that. I'll make the due dates on both of these November 1st in case you need to go into the October check to get the rest of it paid, okay?
Okay. Do I come out here and pay the court?
So you can do this one of a handful of ways. You can pay it online through our online system with a credit card. You can mail payments in. You can drop payments in our Dropbox out front, or if necessary, you can come make them make the payments in person. We're trying to avoid as much as possible people coming up to the court, but if it's necessary for you to make the payment in person, you can get yourself a ride and come on up here and make that payment, okay?
Yeah.
All right, any questions on that?
Nope.
Okay, sir, you're all set. If that November 1st date comes along, you still, for whatever reason, have been unable to make both payments, contact the court and let us know what's going on. Don't let that day go by without either getting paid in full or coming up and letting us know what's going on, or calling us, letting us know what's going on, okay?
Okay, thanks, man. I appreciate that.
No problem. You're all set, Mr. Spencer. Stay safe, okay?
You too. Bye.
Thank you. Ms. Brown, can you hear us? Regina Brown?
Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Phillips Landing Township is Regina Brown's case numbers 20T00436 and 20W002415. We have failed to stop and identify a property damage crash and failed to report accidents. First offense date June 2nd, 2020, second June 26th, 2020. We'd adjourned today regarding the restitution issues in these matters. Are the people ready to proceed with having restitution information?
I've been unable to determine the restitution amount as of this time. I did reach out to Ms. Anderson and extend an offer, which would be Ms. Brown could tender a guilty plea to the 436 offense. I would dismiss the other matter, 2415, and we would give 60 days for us to try to come up with an amount for the restitution.
Your Honor,
Ms.
may I have a
Anderson?
breakout room to speak with Ms. Brown?
Yes, you may. Okay. Ms. Brown,
Yes, Your Honor.
in just a second, you're going to see an invitation to what's called a breakout room on your screen. It's going to be an opportunity to talk to Ms. Anderson privately about the offer the prosecutor's made to you to see if that's something you wanted to follow up through with. Okay, so just a second, you're going to see accept invitation to breakout room. When you're done, make sure you select return to meeting. Okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, we'll talk to you in a few minutes. Ms. Brown, did you see that invitation?
I did, and I pressed join and it just came back here.
Okay, well, I think we can get you moved. Hang on, just you'll be there in a second. You do it?